Hello students, welcome to 5th semester BSc. Okay, so in this video let me discuss the physics syllabus for you. Okay, so according to Bangalore North University and according to Bangalore University, you have the same syllabus for physics. Okay, so now for 5th semester we have two papers, right? So we have paper 5 and paper 6. So far from first semester to fourth semester, so normally you get 4 units. Okay, usually we have 4 units in the syllabus. Now from 5th semester and 6th semester we have only 3 units in each paper. Okay, now let us see what are the chapters you will come across in the syllabus. Okay, so paper 5 is also called PHY 501 paper, right? So in this syllabus we have 3 units, as I said. In the first unit, so you will come across the 4 chapters. So that is statistical physics, okay, the first chapter, and this chapter is to be covered in the just 2 hours portion. Okay, so fundamentals of statistical physics will be covered in 2 hours. Then the second chapter is Maxwell-Boltzmann statistics for 3 hours. Okay, then the third chapter is Bose-Einstein statistics for 5 hours. Okay, so the third chapter is Bose-Einstein statistics. The fourth chapter is Fermi-Dirac statistics. Okay, again it is for 5 hours. So if you count, totally you have 15 hours portion for one unit. Like that, for all units we have 15 hours portion. Okay, then in the first to fourth semester, total hours for each unit is 13 hours. Now it is 15 hours. Clear? Okay, now look at the second unit. In the second unit, it is completely about quantum mechanics. So in the 5th semester, we have quantum mechanics of part 1. Okay, so in the 6th semester, the continuation of that is considered as quantum mechanics of part 2. Okay, now for 5th semester, we have quantum mechanics part 1 completely for 15 hours portion. Clear? Next, let's look at the third unit. Unit 3 consisting of again 2 chapters, that is atmospheric physics for 10 hours and nanomaterials for 5 hours. Totally again 15 hours portion. Clear? Then, so after this 3 units, you get a simple idea about how to cover the portions and how to plan for your studies. Okay, so I am mentioning only the chapter names in the syllabus here. So the detailed syllabus is available in the website. So you can just look at the website here. So detailed syllabus you can see in the website, https okay, bangaloreuniversity.ac.in, bangaloreuniversity.ac.in. Okay, so now let us see after this what is the syllabus part for paper 6 also in the 5th semester. Okay, now look at the paper 6. Okay, paper 6 is called PHY 503. Okay, 501 is your theory paper, 502 is actually the practical paper, 503 is again theory paper. Okay, again PHY 504 is a practical paper. Okay, so now let us see the paper 6 for PHY 503. So again we have 3 units in it. So first unit is actually astrophysics. The title of the first unit is astrophysics for 15 hours portion. So we'll come across 4 chapters in it. The first chapter is parallax and distance. The second chapter is luminosity of stars. Okay, so parallax and distance and luminosity of stars put together is for only 3 hours portion. Then the third chapter is stellar classification for 7 hours. Then the fourth chapter is evolution of stars for 5 hours. Okay, so all these 4 chapters come under astrophysics portion in unit 1. Okay, now look at the second unit. So the second unit title is solid state physics. For 15 hours we have solid state physics here. So we have 3 chapters in this. So basically we have to discuss about the crystal systems and X-rays in the first chapter for 6 hours. The second chapter is free electron theory of metals, okay, for 6 hours. And then the third chapter is superconductivity for 3 hours. Clear? Now look at the third unit. Unit 3 is semiconductor physics for 15 hours. Okay, again we have 3 chapters in this unit also. So the first chapter is basic semiconductor physics. We are discussing only basics of semiconductor physics. Then the second chapter is special diodes. Okay, so for 4 hours. Then the third chapter is transistors. Okay, you can see that basics of semiconductor 6 hours, special diodes 4 hours, transistors 5 hours. Totally 15 hours portion. Like that. So we have again 3 units in the paper 6 for 5th semester. Okay. Thank you. So from the next video we will discuss these chapters one by one. Clear?